Hey guys, what's going on? I want to show you a recent dress that I purchased. I was Googling floral dresses and I came across this one. It is navy and white, which are two of my favorite colors to wear together because I love like anything that has a nautical kind of color to it, and it also has really pretty flowers. I was Googling floral dresses to hopefully find something to wear to my friend's bridal shower because I have so many bridal showers this summer, and I thought this was perfect. I came across it and they had a ton of different designs. They had like a black one with kind of a similar print. I think it was white and black flowers. The name of the brand here, I'm going to show you guys. It's Miusol. I hope I'm saying that the right way. It's a size medium, so they come in sizes like small, medium, large, extra large, and so on. I'm normally a size medium, so I picked out this size. You guys can just see the tag over here. I want you to see the inside of the dress too. Like, so there's no padding or anything inside. It's just thin all the way through. It's very smooth as well. This top material is actually different than the bottom. Like, the top material is very, very soft and smooth, and really it's not super light, but it's not heavy either. It's kind of like in the middle. And then the bottom is like a harder texture, and I guess you guys could see, like, when I got it, it came in, I ordered it online and it came in a plastic packaging, so it was folded of course, but I didn't steam it or iron it or anything yet, so I guess you could see there's a little bit of wrinkling. Not too bad, but before I would wear it out somewhere, I would definitely just take a steamer or a light iron to it to just get rid of some of those wrinkles. Speaking of which, let's go on and see the hair instructions so you guys can kind of see in here. Okay, Miusol. So fabric products, it's made in China. So again, sometimes when you order things in China, like I said with the last dress, you have to be careful that it's not going to run small, because I can't even tell you how many things I've ordered that were made in China, like clothing items wise, and they ran a little bit small. Not always the case, but I always just try to like keep that in mind. So the material is 60% rayon, 34% nylon, and 6% spandex, made in China. The care instructions: Miusol, wash with cold water, do not bleach, do not soak for a long time, separate color washing, steam iron, do not wring, hang dry in a cool place. So yeah, when I go to wash this, I'll probably put it on a cold hand wash cycle in my washing machine and then hang it dry in a cool place. And then once it's dry, if it needs to be ironed, I'll steam iron it on light. So I just want to be careful. I wouldn't iron it on anything more than light, because it just seems like the material might be a little delicate. Not because it's thin, but just God forbid, I wouldn't want to burn it and ruin it or anything like that. So moving on to the size. So I ordered a medium. Like I said, it's very true to size. However, it's a little bit big in this side area right here. Like, there's a little extra room and it goes out a little bit here. So when I tried it on, I was like, oh wow, I feel like it kind of makes me look a little bit big. I'm like, I don't know if I'm loving it, and I feel like if someone were pregnant, that they could get away with wearing this almost as a maternity dress because it goes out and it's flowy. But it wasn't enough to make me want to return it. Like, it was just a little big, and to me it wasn't really a big deal, because I feel like if I did go down to small, it would be too small. So I feel like the medium's totally fine. Yeah, there's a little extra room on the siding and in the stomach area, but that's fine. I think that's a-okay with me. It doesn't really matter if it goes a little bit bigger. So there is some extra room there, which may or may not be good for you guys depending on what you like. So maybe if you want, try to order a size down, but I would say just stick to your normal size and just keep in mind that there is going to be a little extra room. It's such a pretty dress. I really like it. Like I said, I ordered it for my friend's bridal shower that's going to be in an Italian restaurant, so not like too fancy, but it's also pretty enough to wear it to like a backyard party, barbecue, on vacation. It's too nice to be worn with a bathing suit, but I think it's pretty to just wear to dinner or somewhere cute. And my idea was I was going to dress it up with some wedges, like nude wedges, and then a little bit of some jewelry. I would do like a white chunky necklace since that would match navy and white. Yes, you could do a navy necklace with it, but then that might be a little too navy. I would just do a white chunky necklace, and I think nude shoes will match perfectly with it. I also think any other type of jewelry would be fine, like a silver necklace, silver earrings, gold necklace. That'll look really cute too. Even like a pink jewelry would look good with this. I think it's so versatile. And then the black and white dress that I was telling you guys about, I think I'm going to order that too because it's super cute. And I'm really happy with it. So if you guys want to check out some of this clothing, look it up. It's Miusol. They have other dresses. Gorgeous, gorgeous stuff. Perfect for the summer, for all different occasions. You guys need something cute for a barbecue, something cute for a rehearsal dinner, something cute for a shower. I definitely recommend this dress and their clothing. All right, I hope you guys found this video useful, and I hope you have a great night.